In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert image side by side in WPS Office. This technique is especially useful when you want to display multiple images next to each other neatly, such as in presentations, reports, or any document that benefits from a clean and organized layout. By placing images side by side, your document will look more professional and visually appealing. To start, open your WPS Office document and navigate to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. From here, select Table and create a 1x2 table. This will give you two cells in a single row, which will act as containers for your images. Once the table is inserted, click inside the first cell to prepare it for your first image. Next, go back to the Insert tab and choose Picture. Then select From this device. A file browser will appear, allowing you to locate the image you want to use. Once you find the image, click on it and then tap Open. The image will now be inserted into the first cell of your table. Click on the image to select it and then copy it by pressing Ctrl+C or by using the Copy option in your menu. Move to the second cell in your table, which is right next to the first image. Paste the copied image into this cell by pressing Ctrl+V or using the Paste option. Now you will see both images displayed side by side within the table. This method ensures the images stay aligned and maintain their position as you adjust the layout or resize the document. Once your images are placed correctly, the next step is to remove the table borders so that only the images are visible. Click on the 6 dots located at the top left corner of the table to select the entire table. Then go to the Table Style tab at the top of the screen and select Border. From the drop-down menu, choose No Border. This will remove all visible lines, leaving your images side by side without any distracting borders. This method allows you to present multiple images clearly and keeps your document organized. You can use this same approach whenever you need to display two or more images together in a professional format, ensuring that your layout remains consistent and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.